Alright, so in this video I'm going to be going over a bunch of updates and new things coming to the channel, and the first thing that is new to the channel is the intro. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to roll that. Drop a comment down below if you like the old intro or the new intro better. Let me know in the comments. Or maybe you don't like either, you want me to make a completely new one. Let me know in the comments. Roll the new intro. How's it going, everybody? Kilar back again with another project, and today we're going to be doing an update. I'm just going to be talking about a bunch of new things that's going to be happening on this channel. And so the purpose of this video, besides updating you, is also because, as you already know, I post videos every week. And so the video that I had planned out for this week, I can't do it yet because it's an unboxing of some Supreme stuff. And so I got one of the items right here, but the second part of this comes in on Monday, which is around when I should be posting the video, so I won't have enough time to film and edit it. So I need to get a video out this week, and then I can do this video next week. So that's why I'm doing this video, because I gotta stay consistent with posting every week. And next, the second new thing that's coming to the channel is gonna be a mic. I'm pretty sure no one reads the descriptions, but if you do take the time to read the descriptions of each video, I have a list of my equipment at the very bottom, and it says mic coming soon. So we finally got a mic. I went ahead and I picked up this Blu Snowball Ice. It's fairly cheap for a decent mic, and it's a good starter mic. The problem is that it is a USB, so it's a USB mic, and there isn't a USB port on my DSLR. So I could record audio and video separately and then stitch them together, but that just seems like a lot of extra work. I'd rather just have them synced and ready to go. So I'd want to plug this into my camera, but I need an adapter for that. I did order an adapter, and it came in a pack of 2. So I need an adapter that takes a 2.0 USB into a 3.5mm audio jack, or an aux cord basically. So I went ahead and I just picked up the first one. It was really cheap, and it is a USB to aux. Yeah, that's a problem. I needed a Who's texting me? I needed a female USB to a male aux, but I got a male USB and a male aux, so I had to order another one, and that comes in on Tuesday. So hopefully by the next video I will have a mic. We'll see, and I still have to test it out. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see, but the mic is here. I just gotta figure out how to set it up and use it. Yeah, shout out to Yeti. You guys should sponsor me. Alright, so the next thing I want to talk about is another reason that I got the mic is because I want to start doing a live stream, and it's going to be kind of like a podcast. So that's why I have the mic. I'm thinking of having Isaac in it with me, so that when we talk about things, it can have like the hype beast mindset and someone who knows resale values and stuff of the items, and a non-hype beast, meaning Isaac, and he's going to give you just his honest opinion if it's nice or not, without the thought of resale value or the hype around the item. He'll just tell you if it's nice or not. And so I wanted to do a live stream that would be useful. So I want to talk about Supreme items dropping every week and my resale predictions and what I think you should go for. But the problem is that the drop list comes out every Wednesday, and then the drop is on Thursday. So I don't really have time on Wednesdays to film a live stream, and not with Isaac either, because he has school. So the only time we could really do a live stream would be on the weekends. So I'm thinking we're gonna start out by doing shoe releases on the weekends, and then maybe if I can find the time, I can do the Supreme releases on my own on Wednesdays. And all the live streams will save as videos, so you can watch them as a regular video. So that's another thing I'm hoping to do. Next, so I just wanted to recap on the giveaway. So we have a giveaway happening at 250 subs. I still don't know what I'm gonna give away, but at the 500 subs, don't forget the 500 subs, we have the Supreme burner phone giveaway at 500 subs. So make sure you stay tuned if you want a Supreme burner phone, because that thing is ridiculous. What else am I gonna talk about? just to add some substance to this video, I know we're talking about updates and things like that, but so it's currently Wednesday, the 27th of November, the day before Thanksgiving, and so tomorrow is a Supreme drop, and they're doing the Nike collab. This is for week 14, I believe, of Fall Winter 19, and the items are gas. All right, there's no doubt that they have some gas items in here, but the retail price is ridiculous. Like, I can't even fathom how they plan on selling items. This is the craziest retail prices I've ever seen. I'm not talking about resale value now. Retail off the drop, these are like stupid expensive. Like that, this is stupid. All right. So the first thing I want to look at is I'll probably blow it up right here, but they have this like Supreme Nike anorak, and it's like all leather, and it is so gassed. The back with that embedded box logo is so freaking nice. So yes, of course, this item is really gas, but the price on it for retail is $880. Who has that? I don't have that money. When I saw the pictures drop, I was thinking that this is an instant cop. Like, I need this. And then I saw the price, and I don't even know what to say about that. The leather duffel bags are pretty gas too, but they're also $360, which is pretty insane. They're dropping these Nike 14 karat gold rings, which I thought were cool, and they're like $328, so that's a no-go. That's not happening either. And so, of course, so the anoraks, the leather anoraks are my favorite item from this drop, but second would have to be these jerseys. Okay, they have these Supreme Nike baseball jerseys, and I didn't realize that they were leather. So apparently this baseball jersey is all leather, absolutely gorgeous, but again, the price on it, $576. Like, when you have a YouTube channel called Broke Boy Project, like you can't even wish to buy that kind of stuff. This is ridiculous. I don't know what kind of leather they're using, but that's gonna be good leather. I guarantee you they're using good leather for that price. They also got the matching leather pants that are going for like $500, $498, something like that. That is, I don't know. The leather items are ridiculous priced, and I can't afford any of it, so I'm definitely not waking up to cop anything tomorrow. I'm just gonna sleep in. Alright, so just to recap, we got the new intro, new mic, but I'm dumb, so I have to wait for the new adapter to come in, but hopefully that's gonna be coming up very soon. I need to buy a new lighting system. If you could see the lighting setup, it is the most broke boy thing you'd ever see. But so lighting is expensive. Hopefully I can get lighting soon. We got the mic. Next is gonna be lighting, probably. We also talked about the podcast, and finally, oh, don't forget the giveaways. But finally, I have a new outro, so we're gonna head and roll the outro for you. That is all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. It was just a really quick one, a filler video, really, because I didn't get the packaging to film my real video. So I really apologize. Shout out to all the people actually watching this. I really appreciate you. But that is all I have for this video. Hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time. The truth.